Left side of Grosset. Job. Little, overextend. Little on the bottom side of the left side of the grocery. Push back to right side, push back to right side. Athletes. Okay, good job. Mrs. Chaser. Okay, move to one inside. One inside. Move. Fight at one inside. Bell figure. Spring. Overextend. One inside. Gatita. Melt Gatita. Nice, good job. Kill the people here at one inside. Spring, down to three. Down to three, guys. Down to three. Pay doctor. Down to three. Pay doctor one. Fight at three. Rerun at three. Run back to. Let me know if we're doing well. Are we still fighting at one inside? Three?
Yeah, we're still fighting at one inside.
Run back. Aragon. Good job.
Kill rain. Rain is low.
Call names. Keep calling names. Voyagers, use your Nado on their champs or strong magic. So it's gonna be -1 for them. They just keep rerunning at 3, by the way. Are we doing good at 1 inside to 3?
Yeah, we're still
Keep
fighting.
going. Keep going.
Keep
One
going
and
back,
three.
keep
Keep going
going
one and
back.
three. Let's not run away. We lose
Yeah,
if we
just
run.
don't.
Jason, he's full still.
Rain.
Job. Mazda. Push up to one inside. People at
We are
3.
winning here. We are winning here.
Dogecoin. Little. Push back to 3, guys. Push back to 3. Nuts. I save your last. White bull.
Last
Nuts.
3 minutes.
DPS try to play at platform. Magic and champs on the bottom side. Pay doctor. Dead. Good job. Let's fight at 3. Mrs. Chaser. Lower their champs and magics by don't let them get rebuff. Hamas. We're doing well at 3, by the way. Mazda. Aragon after his bless. Good job. More flash bomb. Don't let them go on the platform, guys. We're a lot. We're more than them. Not do the champs. Johnny. Onryo. Onryo on the top side, on the platform. Onryo and McDonald's. Try to lower their magics and champs. Don't kill them. Gatita. Kill Gatita. So lower the HP of their champions.
Last 2 minutes. Let's stay at the same spot.
Yeah, just keep counting back. Let's just YOLO at 3.
Play solo. Nice.
Use your strongest spots now, guys.
What the fuck?
Again.
I was killing you. Sorry, bro. Stop lying.
Let me. I keep calling names. Let me know if we're doing well.
Keep going 3.
Don't shake, guys. We got this. Not do the champs, guys. Voyagers. We have a lot of Voyagers. Use your Nado. And ignore side fights. Run back to 3. Move. Saffron. Run back to 3. Try to lower the HP of their champs and magic. Pay doctor's dead.
Names. Keep calling names.
They're kind of flooding 3. Lower their HP. Bitcoin.
Keep going 3, guys. Keep going 3. It's our chance. Come on.
DPS try to play at one inside. Magic and champs try to play around the 3. But don't be too far DPS. Try to be near at 3, by the way. Magic and champs 3. 3. Heal your HP. Gatita.
Everyone 3.
Drama Lich at platform.
Lower their tanks. Lower the champions. As much as you can.
Anon.
Lower clerics as well. Look, go suicide and do some damage. Rakam, good die, but
Keep coming back to 3 and 1 inside. 3 and 1 inside.
Just be careful. Last minute. 36 seconds left.
Yeah, just keep coming back here. We can regroup anyways. I'm rerunning. Calling it.
Keep going 3, keep going 3, keep going 3, guys. Everyone that is at 1, go 3, go 3, go 3, flood 3, flood.
Prepare to use
Go
bless
three,
any. By the way, prepare to. Just call for the bless call.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Keep going 3, keep going 3, keep going
10
3, keep going
seconds.
3.
10 seconds.
Going 3, keep going 3, guys. Focus the people that are DPS.
5
in
seconds.
front.
We can try. We can
Oh,
bless now.
it's
We can bless. 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 Bless.
Bless now,
Bless now, bless now, bless now, bless
they're
now.
pushing.
Call names. Call names. Call names. I'm dead. I'm dead on the way. Nice. Good job. We're doing
Unknown,
well.
unknown, unknown, unknown.
We're killing
Yeah.
them.